She came out to hear me play tonight. And that is rare, let me tell you that. Yeah. I'm going to sing you a little love song that I wrote for my wife. I'm not good at love songs. Anybody's got my albums, you know that. My old lady's been acting kind of crazy. I can see the devil in her eye. But when she poured out the Quavro, folks, that took me by surprise. She's never been a tease or a floozy. She's not the type to flirt or flaunt. But then she said I could tie her up into bed and I could do anything I want. So I tied her up on that four-poster bed and I did exactly what I want. I went fishing, 'cause that's what turns me on. By lake, by river, by the ocean, by the beach, down by an old mill pond. I went fishing, packed up all of my gear, my hook, my line, a great big old Johnson, a cooler full of ice and beer. I went fishing, 'cause that's what turns me on. By lake, by river, by the ocean, by a beach, down by an old mill pond. Yeah, I went fishing. I can be drunk and go fishing, but I can't be drunk and make love. I can be on a sandbar with a big old cigar, but in our bed it turns her off. So I'll go fishing, 'cause that's what turns me on. By lake, by river, by the ocean, by a beach, down by an old mill pond. Yeah, I went fishing. I packed up all of my gear, my hook, my line, a great big old Johnson, a cooler full of ice and beer. Yeah, I went fishing. Thank you.
And Alice.